Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laraib Fatima. My father name is Abbas, and today my presentation topic is literacy. Who is educated person? The first definition was who can read and write is educated person, and the second definition of literacy was who can read, write, and do simple mathematical calculations is an educated person. The third definition of literacy was who can read, write, do simple mathematical calculations, and operate computer. And operate computer is educated person. The fourth definition of literacy was who can read, write, do simple mathematical calculations, and operate computer, make analysis as educated person. Thanks.